Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you trying to buy a gift card on your Shein application but are confused on how to do that? Well, if you are, then this video was made for you. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to buy a gift card on your Shein application. Now without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Shein app. Once you have opened your Shein application, you'll be on the home page. From the home page, here you'll have to tap on the Me button that is located on the bottom right hand side corner. Once you have tapped on the Me button, here you'll be in the page from where you can see various options. On the top, you can see about 4 options that are vouchers, points, wallet, and gift card. Here you'll have to tap on the gift card option. Once you have tapped on the gift card option, from here you can choose the best selling gift cards. Once you have chosen your preferred gift card option, here you'll get all the preferences for how your gift card should look like. You can choose your preferred one, and from here you'll get about 5 options for the amount. From here you can choose your preferred balance that you want to send as your gift card. There are about 5 options as you can see on the screen, and here after scrolling down you'll get to type the email address of the person to whom you're sending your gift card to. Once you have typed in the email address, there is a second option that is from. Here you'll have to type in your own name, and once you have typed in your name, if you want, then you can write a message that you want to deliver to the person that you're sending the gift card to. It is not a necessary option. And on the below you can see there is an option that is, by placing this order I agree that I have read and understood the terms and conditions. Here you'll have to tap on that button and tap on checkout. Once you have tapped on the checkout option, you will be directed towards the page where it is said shipping address. Here you'll have to select your location. You can select your location here, and if you don't find the location, you can simply search it on the search bar. Once you have selected your location, here you'll have to type in the first name and type in the last name. And just like that, similarly, you'll have to fill out the info that you have to fill out here and tap on save. And once you're done with that process, here you'll be on the second page where you'll have to choose the payment method. You'll get about 2 options that are PayPal and credit and debit card. You can choose your preferred one. Then you'll have to tap on place order. After that, here you'll have to fill out the card information and all the information about your credit card. Once you'll be done with filling out the payment method, you can simply tap on the place order option, and then you'll have successfully bought your gift card. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to buy a gift card on your Shein application. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.